Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2008 Kawasaki Concours 1400. This is the ABS version. Beautiful metallic silver gray, only 32,000 miles. It's got cruise control. It's got an awesome sounding stain-tuned stainless steel exhaust. Wait till you hear that. Locking side cases and top case. Come on by and make your hypersport touring dreams come true with this big bad 1400. Only $49.99. We have financing. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. This also has the bar risers installed, adjustable windshield. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.